Hey guys, Sky here at the Gear Bunker. Just want to give you a quick look at this Goal Zero Flip 20 that I've been using. It's a portable charging pack. I've been using it to keep my iPhone topped off and when need be my Garmin Fenix 5 watch that we have there. Real simple device to use. This will give you 2 full charges to an iPhone from dead before this guy needs re-energized and topped off. It's simple to use. They don't incorporate any other fancy features. I've seen a lot of other battery packs from other manufacturers that try to incorporate, most commonly, a flashlight into the charging pack. Goal Zero didn't do any of that. They kept it simple. They kept it lean, streamlined. It's a very minimalist piece of gear, piece of kit. It gets the name Flip 20 from being able to flip out this USB port to charge this Goal Zero unit. It does not require any external cables to go from this to a charging source. All you're going to do is take this, you're going to plug it into, we got our connector here on the laptop. That's all you're going to do. You're just going to plug it in there and you can see that the lights came on. And I'm about 75% now, so it's going to top it off. As you see, once that last light goes from blinking to constant on, that signifies this is fully charged. So whether you're plugging into a laptop or into a wall outlet that's got a USB port on it, real convenient. When you're done, you're just going to flip that down, and it auto senses when you plug something in. It auto senses when you unplug something. So there's no on-off switch on this thing either, which makes it even that much more simple. If you're looking to charge a device, like my Garmin, for instance, here. There's a USB port on the top of this thing here, so you're just going to plug one end into the Goal Zero unit, and we'll plug this into my Garmin, and you're going to see it's charging now. It's at about 44%. I usually like to start charging my Garmin when it hits about 50, so that's all you need to do, and that will top off my Garmin, which doesn't take much. So I could probably get, if I were just using the Goal Zero unit for my Garmin, probably about 3 charges on this guy. So very handy to have to keep your phone charged, keep your watch charged, especially if you have a smartwatch or something. Just a very handy unit to have. I'll put all the specs in the article. Just wanted to give you guys kind of a quick look at the unit, how it charges, how you charge devices on this. Oh, and the last thing here is when this is flipped in, it says press there. If you press that, that's going to give you your battery level on the unit as it stands. So right now, obviously, as you guys saw, I'm at 75%. So I could probably stand to top this guy off before I go anywhere else. But that's it. Real simple to use. Very reliable product thus far. I highly recommend you guys take a look at Goal Zero for your other power needs for your outdoor adventures or overlanding or camping. They have solutions for all those different adventures. So take a look at them. Goal Zero.